Now we are standing at the stall of DPI India with Dr. Subram Mitra. Hello sir, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
So can you tell us something about your company?
Well, DPI is an Indian company. We are a dental manufacturer, and we basically into three segments. We are into dental consumables manufacturing, impression material is one, that segment. Then we are into polymer business, which goes to the laboratory, and then we have the filling materials. So we have a lot of products like DPI alloy, which is well known in the company. And just to tell you, the DPI is one of the division company of Wadia Group of Industries, and we are into various sector like aviations. Then we are into confectionaries, laminate business.
So do you have your headquarters here?
No, my headquarters is in Mumbai. I am based in Mumbai.
Okay, how many cities are you operating in?
Well, in India, we are operating in almost all the cities. We have our regional offices in four metros, and also we are operating into international market.
Now can you just brief about your products here?
Well, as I told you that we are into impression material, and if you see that this is a photo seals putty that we have newly launched and in India, then we have this alginate which is there in impression material. Then we have a lot of filling materials. We out here we have launched glass ionomer cements. Then we have amalgam capsules, and then pinnacle sticks, and then as I told you in the laboratory we have the RR cold cure. Heat cure material, all these stuffs which is available right now.
So are there any new launches specifically in Expodent?
We are focusing majorly on the photosil putty because we have newly launched that product and the glass ionomer cement. But of course, post Expodent we are going to launch two more products. One is a calcium hydroxide and one is ADTA gel.
Okay. So is there any uniqueness in your products?
It's a very old company. It's a 50 years old company. We are probably the first Indian manufacturers, and we brought also in India a lot many company who are now independent, like Dentsply and then Colton Weldent. So they are more independent. And my product is a very old product, which is using by most of the doctors, starting from their studying of BDS.
So are you in collaboration with the other companies still?
No, no more, because I used to import two companies like implants, dental implants from Anthogear, which I have given to one Deccan Dental in India. And then I am importing the Ardent range of product, which also I am stopping. So my strategy is right now to concentrate only on the core products of our manufacturing.
One last question, sir. Do you know about Guidant?
Oh, of course, yes. Guidant is one of the best magazine, I could say. And Mr. Manzar, I must take his name. He has taken Guidant in a great height. And since inception of Guidant, I think we are supporting them and we are giving advertisement in their magazines.
Oh, that's so great, sir. We thank you so much for it. So do you want to give any feedbacks for us, like to improve Guidant in future?
Not specifically, because I think it's already been improved, and I think Manzar is doing a great job. And what I could see today also, it's probably a new beginning again for something new. So I just wish all the best.
Thank you, sir. We too wish you all the best and thank you for your time.